Hi guys, root 1 Shrike back with another video, and in this video we're having a new Python 3.14 which was released on 10th this month, which doesn't allow calamares to launch. So we are going to see it to see that issue. When you come here, let's open our terminal and see calamares. We are getting error here. This error, it says calamari errors while loading shared libraries. Python 3.13 cannot open a shared object file, no such file or directory. So this comes, this error shows that we are having error with this package. Right now, and let's say sudo pacman ql python. We are having Python 3.14. So if we need our calamares to work, we will need to downgrade this version to the old version. If I go here, our calamares will launch because of this error here. So let me downgrade, then I install this ISO sudo downgrade. I have a downgrade package here which I will use to downgrade Python to the old version. So here I'll say I'll need Python 3.13. It's the one I need. So this one shows that there is a package, there is a file manager, I mean a config, pacman.conf. Let's see. pacman.conf. So if I accept, this will change. If I accept, because it shows that should I put it in a ignore package, so I can do so. But for this case, we want just to launch our calamares. But again, you can say yes, and then I think when you load again this one, it will load. It has loaded and it has written this one. So now it's in your pacman.conf, but those are not the issue. I mean, those are not why we are here. The reason we are here is to launch our calamares. But this time around, it will open. So now our calamares open well, and we are no longer getting the error we have been getting. You can see, and it's launching well. Alright, let me use this chance to install Kampala Linux. It's my distro which I'm using to a working distro, workplace, let's say. It's the one I'm using for my work. So here it will install very well. I'm called root 1. Here Shrike. Then continue. So I think we'll come back after the installation, but that is how it is. The new package of the new release upgrade of Python 13.14, it breaks calamares, and yet we have not yet got a solution. I mean, we have not yet got a package on AUR, so that means I have to maintain my own calamares, because whereas Python has this type of errors. Every new new upgrades, things breaks. So let's see. Calamares, say you are. I'm sorry, I have issue with my network today. I don't know why. What's going on with this issue? With this network. Alright, we have here two packages of calamares. But all of them, they haven't got the updates. They're still behind. This one is November 14th, and also this one November 14th. So I think other people might experience the same issue, but on Shrike Linux we don't have this error, because I've already released the ISOs for Shrike Linux and at Shrike on 9th this month, so I'm safe. Only one ISO which is behind is Shrike Linux, but the two ISOs are out, so we are safe. Let's wait for the other release. I'll have a way to go about around it, and also I'll still start maintaining my own calamares package. Okay, as it is installing, let's pause here the video and we will come back later. So our Kampala Linux is about to finish down installation. And also I don't know if we are having that package, and let me see that package, the downgrade package, if it is there on AUR. What is happening with this distro? It's taking long. Yeah, the package is there on AUR. You can get it there. If you get those errors whereby calamares won't launch because of Python 14, then you can go ahead and build the ISO. You install the ISO. You install the package, then you downgrade the Python 14 3.14 to 3.13. Alright, thank you and bye.